Run your head all the way to the left. Open up your little door. Come in under here and gently clean your head. As you can see, it gets dried ink on it. Then you get some more. I do separate ones, but whatever you prefer. And then clean your little lip here. Clean all around. Just make sure everything gets taken care of. Carefully clean around your cap stations. Once you've got it cleaned up, I have my little door open here because it's a little bit easier access, but you just come in, put some fluid in your capping station, come back over to your print EXP, click reset.